desktop publishing for the newspaper in St. James. He went to the hospital, he went to the parish. I didn't even know that story that Father Princel was even teaching him how to do a website. He was planning also All Saints in Montauk. But unfortunately, he started getting afflicted by the Alzheimer's disease, I believe, and he started forgetting. Yes, he did forget his password. But he taught Elpid how to hack, so he got his password back. So, again, I thank you for coming. Please come to the house for lunch after we go bring him to Calvary. There will be a memorial in his honor on March 30th, 6:30 Mass. It's a Sunday. I invite you all. It is also my 63rd birthday. Celebrate, because I've never celebrated my birthday. It's always being caught by graduation or Holy Week or whatever. But this time, it's a prize. You're all invited. So I will take attendance. So please join us after. And I thank you. I thank the towns of Pasao, Bontoc, Sagada, even Savangan has come. I am very touched. And on behalf of Kent, thank you.